Hello everybody, this is Ray Park from South Korea. First of all, my English is so bad sometimes because I can speak only Korean and English and I'm not always practice myself, so it could be bad. Anyway, I'm going to show you my koi betta fish. Look at this guy, looks like female but this is male. He is male. He always make the bubbles on the top, but now I changed the whole of water today, and there is no bubbles. This is from Japan, DOOA brand. Also, this is from Japan, made in Japan from ADA brand. This material is acrylic from Korea, and I designed it. I also, little bit checked from ADA. I made this one at home, and this one also I made it. This one we called maintenance tool stand, and I'm going to show you about the electric part. Nature Aqua System electric part from the Nature Aqua System. I made this one acrylic banded here, and when someone fishing, there is line. I don't know the name of this one, but fishing line, I'm not sure about that, but I made this one with tape, and electric line is here. You can see here, and the taping here, and I'm going to show you about the angry koi betta. I bring the mirror here, and looks watching. He's angry, right? I'm sure that definitely he is male. See, looks like angry lion, right? Betta is so easy to growing. Just feeding and change the water. That's all. And water degree is so important. See this one. Watch. Very beautiful, right? Beautiful ones. Thank you for watching my koi betta, and please add about the